Okay, last I'm going to show you how to label your drawing. Labeling is very important. So we're going to use this note or text tool. I'm going to label this as 60 grit sandpaper. I'm going to label, again, get the note tool. This is going to be 1x2 pine. And lastly, this is a little bit tricky. I'm going to put my name on it, and I'm going to do it really big. So I get the 3D text tool, which is kind of fun. If the font is too big, you go to Fonts, select the height, the style. Let's do, I happen to like, let's do Schoolhouse, which should be fun. And we enter the text. And we place it. And this was not the best font, but you can sort of see it. And lastly, we'll print it out using a screenshot, which is on a Mac is Command-Shift-3 for the whole screen, Command-Shift-4 for part of the screen. So do Command-Shift-3, take a picture, and if I minimize that, now it's on the desktop. It goes into Preview, and I go File, Print, and we'll print it to MS-142 and print. And that's it.